Okay, we just got this amazingly light. How much does that weigh? Nothing. It's about 400 grams. A little titanium fire pit from Belmont in Japan. So we've just started bringing in the stuff from the Belmont guys. You could hike somewhere with this away from the car, or just leave it in the small car all the time for a fire pit. So we'll give it a go. So light, pretty awesome. Let's check it out. Let's set this up. I like these mats. Do you think I should get a longer one?
Yeah.
So this is the Tabi. Very light pieces of titanium. 3 little legs. Just push that down into there. Pretty easy. Rain. And that's kind of it. There's a 3rd leg.
What about the sides?
And the sides, if you want. And then it comes with a small support for a pot. So we could sit under the awning with this. That'd be nice, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Here we go. It's pretty wet, but a few leaves. Oh, I think we're in the line of smoke. Let's see how it goes. It's a good little twiggy fire, but I think we can get a bit of warmth from this. Let's see if we can get a nice little cooking flame going. Works well as a kind of little upside down fire. You keep adding small twigs and it brings the flames up. I like it.
Remember when we went sailing on that big boat and got ice cream?
Definitely a short log is the way to go, isn't it? We've got the pretty lightweight setup here. A couple of mats and a small fire pit. It's a nice way to get out. Doing these nice little muck mats now, made in Queensland, I think. Really handy little mat. Yeah, they weigh a bit, those gas bottles. I mean, not an awful lot. You can get smaller ones, but this gas bottle weighs the same as that fire pit. And the fire pit can make you warm. It's putting out a bit of warmth, isn't it? We're getting some coals, aren't we? Yeah. You know, the other thing you could do is you could make a fire on the ground if you wanted it for warmth, and then put some coals in there and cook dinner. I'd say it was a cool day today. So it's really nice to have a fire. It's not a freezing day where you need a large fire though.
Yeah.
But this fire feels good. It's warming. Starting to get some coals. I think that's the key to this little tubby. Just cut your logs nice and short. Small little ones and you'll get some coals quick. Here we go, actually. That was pretty quick. We've got a nice little cooking zone. I think I'll put a little fire zone up the other end, like that. The cooking zone up this end. We have a little grill. And like that. That's good. That's great. Food, small billies. Gorgeous little thing.
This is the bun, this is the wand, and this is the dress, and these are the feet. Charcoal Sparkle Pink is her name.
Well, there are definitely quicker ways to boil water, but few as enjoyable and staying warm too.
Dad,
Old 50-cent cup of soup really hits the spot on a cold day. We've still got a nice little fire going, really warming. We just pack this down and it cools down straight away, which is nice thing for a fire pit. You don't have to wait for it to cool down. Geez, effortless to pack up. And there we go. Put it in its small bag and I can stay in the car, I think. Very nice, impressive.
so it's finished?
Yeah.